Hey everyone, it's Eva from Mochi's Nails. I've got a design I wanted to do and I wanted to share with you guys. This is a Moira stamping plate. It's plate number 40, and on my nails is from a review I did from Born Pretty Store. This is a thermal gel glitter polish. These are a two-tone. These are the colors that it changes to, so I want to go ahead and do a little bit of stamping over it using this light blue stamping polish from Born Pretty Store. If you guys have any questions, just please jot it down, ask, and I'll be more than happy to answer. Otherwise, I'll be listing everything in the description box below of where you can purchase this product. Isn't that pretty? So I'm just cleaning the sides. I don't want to use my latex barrier. Let me see if I can get this on camera and have it centered at the same time. My nail is long enough to get most of the image on, as you can see. Isn't that so pretty? Moira comes out with some really pretty plates. Their designs are nothing that anyone else makes. I think it's great to add these to your collection. So yeah, you can actually find these on, I don't remember if I bought this on Amazon or if I ordered it from Tracy. She's a US distributor for Moira. That one's a little crooked, right? Depending on the angle. I could actually take it off. I might end up taking it off and redoing it because I've got gel on anyway. It's not gonna ruin the polish. Alright, let's get this bigger image. It's part of this, of the one to the right. This will go good together. I'm using the clear jelly stamper, and I should have gone up high a little bit. No, that looks good. So the clear jelly stamper, you guys know when you pick up, it's best to roll it quickly. When I do it that way, actually I don't have any issues, so that's the way I'm gonna stick to picking up images with that particular stamper. You see what I mean? All right, let me just clean this on the side. This is gonna fill most of my nail because, you know, it's a pinky. Alright, let me clean up and then I'll come back with the top coat on.